appear as if I had brought a portion of the beautiful climate I had continued while in Spain back with me as we outfitted to ride the 2018 BMW G310 GS. More rain, the pleasure is all mine. Southern California. Gratefully, this time around it would keep going for the primary portion of the day, in spite of the fact that that was the place the well done was concerning our course. Regardless, the blend of climate amid our early on ride of BMW's Lil GS gives us a chance to convey an all-climate survey of this new bike. I haven't so soon overlooked where I originated from. In Illinois, we had all seasons with excellent falls and lavish springs sandwiched by unimaginably muggy summers and bone-chilling winters. I think about I'm stating that I should be content with what I have. What's more, what I have today, is the opportunity to test another BMW. BMW has completed an incredible activity in planning the G310 GS to carry on the quintessential GS look while being very svelte. From the GS mount, to the extensive, hardy rack topping off the back, there is no mixing up the styling of BMW's most up-to-date expansion to its adverb-friendly. As I would see it, in the wake of having tested the others, it is the best little dislodging adverb bicycle available as far as fit and wrap-up. The 310 GS utilizes a 41mm topsy-turvy gold fork which, tastefully, offers a top-notch look that adversaries in the classification still can't seem to decide on, in spite of the fact that it doesn't really mean it will be suspended superior to anything a conventional style form. The cast 5-topped aluminum wheels look awesome, and the 19-inch and in advance is useful rough terrain, while I may have jumped at the chance to see spoked wheels on a bicycle with rough terrain potential. Lighting is all around set with the turn motions up high off the beaten path of looming tip over harm. Shockingly maybe, no LED lighting has been utilized on the 310. Illustrations and hues likewise radiate GS DNA with cosmic dark, racing red, and pearl white metallic. The pearl white metallic includes $100 and is the main planned alternative on the 310 GS. Valuing it set at $5,695 and BMW has gone the additional mile to cut their goal and taking care of expense into equal parts, to $245, which will get you out of the dealership under $6,000 before SS. The single-barrel, 313cc GS is very agreeable around town with its wide handlebar, upright riding position, and deft taking care of qualities. While the suspension is very delicate, it's agreeable around town. The 32.9-inch situate stature which may appear to be high to a few, yet the suspension squats impressively once mounted. We started our day cruising out into the byways of San Diego County where it quickly began downpouring, advancing from light shower to all-out vision restraining precipitation. Am I back in Spain? This feels familiar? In spite of the fact that the G310 GS is without hardware, for example, footing control or cornering ABS and rider modes, it is still to some degree consoling to be on a bicycle with bring-down strength and torque numbers that is lightweight and effectively flexibility in these unfavorable conditions. BMW claims 34 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 21 pounds-to-foot of torque at 7,500 out of its single-barrel motor, numbers that are about indistinguishable to the parallel twin Versys X300 we dynoed this past September. Motor execution is as a matter of fact gentle almost the whole way through the rev run with the most energy coming in near the 10,600 red line. It can take a touch of becoming accustomed to so as to keep the engine in its pinnacle execution run, however proprietors will probably come familiar with it. When we advanced toward the start of the Fire Street, we stopped to talk about the following piece of our course. It was proposed that we kill ABS. On the G310 GS, ABS is effectively impaired while moving with a devoted catch on the left control module. Truly? In spite of the fact that there are no rough terrain modes or convoluted calculations identifying the rate of wheel turn independently, I was so glad to see an effectively switchable ABS framework on a bicycle this way. Of note, in the same way as other different models, ABS will be walked out on if the key is turned off. On the off chance that the ABS light is off while riding, it is on. If the ABS light is positively lit, ABS is off. Simple as that.